Hello, and welcome back to this continued discussion on crowdsourcing and its relation to communications design. To recap, we looked at the definition of crowdsourcing as coined by Wired's Jeff Howe and some of the arguments against it as highlighted by AIGA's Rick Griffey and Professor Adrian Massanari of the University of Chicago. We also took a look at CrowdSpring founder Alex Lynch and his argument as to why such a business model is needed. Finally, I asked if crowdsourcing is indeed good or evil, and I stated my quest for opportunities where it might actually be appropriate. While there are many flaws that need to be addressed, there are indeed opportunities where crowdsourcing is appropriate and beneficial, provided that certain steps be taken to discourage some of the negative practices associated with crowdsourced design. My final paper will explore crowdsourcing's flaws and opportunities for change in the professional setting, in the education of clients, professionals, and ethical issues. However, this presentation will focus on the area of design, education, and professional practices. I confess to you that there were not many sources that support my position. This presentation will cover my primary sources, discoveries, Professor Massanari's research paper. One major flaw in the crowdsourcing model is the lack of opportunity for education in the design process for inexperienced designers and clients. Lack of understanding of the process and basic design business practices yields for low appreciation and devaluing from clients, and designers open themselves up for exploitation. One opportunity would be to educate young designers while still in school. By weaving basic design practice education, such as pricing models, standard and ethical practices into design curriculum, young professionals would be better informed and better prepared against being exploited. And these basic tools would then be just as important as developing killer portfolio for job interviews. However, Massanari points out that crowdsourcing sites are not really interested in educating designers and concentrate primarily on quote-unquote educating clients with simple FAQs and tutorials. In the long run, however, this does not really educate either side on the design process and focuses primarily on the end result. But here's another opportunity for crowdsourcing sites to teach both designers and clients about the design process, moving away from simple design briefs and stressing the importance of design thinking, and then encourage collaboration between client and designer. This will ultimately yield more successful design solutions. Perhaps another opportunity for redemption is to move past the simple FAQs and develop a more in-depth tutorial in writing creative briefs that will get better results. Past clients who have had success in using such a service can share how they were able to get the good designs. Math and science teacher Mark Horner, a 99designs.com user, outlines specific ways to yield the best possible result for projects. He very clearly outlines steps to writing a good design brief, something we all should practice, and credits that part of the reason why he got satisfactory results. I should note that he also says offering comparable pay attracted better designers. There is an opportunity for the professional design community as well. Educating clients and designers alike about the pitfalls of crowdsourcing is key. But there must also be a move beyond the crowdsourcing is bad cry. Massanari suggests providing a place where up-and-coming designers can learn skills and tools of the trade and offer opportunities for mentoring relationships with more established professionals. Maybe there's an opportunity for for design professionals and or studios to create a version of crowdsourcing sites that marry the features of sites such as Behance and Crowdspring. Working.com is a member-only site where potential clients pay to view designers' portfolios and hire for work. Designers and their works are curated and must also be invited by a current member of the site to participate. Designers' levels of skills and compensation are displayed on their profile, so potential clients have an idea of what services will cost. The drawback to this site, of course, is the exclusion of other designers by the invitation-only approach, and doesn't address the need for affordable design. It's been 8 years since Jeff Howe's explosive declaration, and since then crowdsourcing and crowdsourced design services have become profitable and upset the traditional design model. It is safe to say that it's most certainly not going to go away anytime soon. However, there is a need for affordable and well thought out design. And, though many don't want to admit it, 99 Designs and Crowdspring and a host of other mini sites offer and meet this need. Unfortunately, is at the risk of poor quality work, legal issues, and a host of other problems. Is crowdsourcing evil? No, but both parties have to work to change it for the better. Thank you.